If you're looking for reasons why to hire a public adjusters solely represent your interest, not the insurance company. Our job is to look out for you. We handle the claim reporting, the policy reviews, we handle the estimating of your building damages, personal property or business personal property. We'll handle any loss of use coverages, such as temporary housing or any extra expenses. Depending on whether it's a residential or commercial claim, you need an advocate for you to make sure that you get every dollar you're entitled to. One position you don't want to be in after you have a claim is waiting for the insurance company to decide whether they're going to pay you or not. If you have a covered claim, they should be paying you. And the question is when? Should it be 4 months from now or should it be tomorrow? If you don't have a claim expediter, that's where hiring a public adjuster comes in. We know what it takes to prepare a claim, and we know how to get it done and get it done quickly. If you want every dollar you're entitled to without leaving a dollar on the table so you, your family, or your business can get back on your feet, give a call to United Public Adjusters and Appraisers. 1-800-718-LOSS 5677. Thank you.